Dimra was a small Palestinian Arab village located 11 kilometers northeast of Gaza City. Ancient remains at the site attest to long-time settlement there. During the era of Mamluk rule in Palestine, the town was the home of the Bani Jabir tribe. Depopulated during the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, the Israeli kibbutz of Erez was founded in 1949 on part of the former village's lands. History. Ancient remains found throughout the village, including marble and granite columns as well as pottery, attest to long-time settlement at the site. An excavation have found remains, including coins, dating the 6th century CE, that is the Byzantine Empire. Many potsherds, dating to the same period, indicates that a pottery workshop was located there at the time. Mamluk period. Following the conquest of the Crusader states during the period of Mamluk rule over Greater Syria, Dimra was located on an eastward route which left the main Gaza-Jaffa highway at Beit Hanan. According to Moshe Sharon, Dimra was a likely resting place for those traveling in the region due to its natural, independent water supply. 3 pieces of a marble slab, deposited since 1930 in the Rockefeller Museum, and dated to 676 commemorates the building of a mosque at Dimra at that year. According to Walid Khalidi, Al-Kalkasandi, an Arab scholar, wrote of Dimra, noting it was the home of the Bani Jabir, an Arab tribe. Ottoman period. During the period of Ottoman rule in Palestine, Edward Robinson passed by Dimra in 1838, describing it as located near the bend of a valley. In 1863, French explorer Victor Guérin found the village to have 120 inhabitants. He assumed the village had previously been larger, due to several empty houses there. By the well he found 1 column made of grey granite, and 5 sections of columns made of grey-white marble. Cucumbers and watermelons were planted in the surrounding gardens. In 1883 the Palestine Exploration Fund's survey of Western Palestine noted that the place was alternately called Tumra and Beit Dimra. The village was small, made of adobe located on the side of a hill. On the north side there was a garden with a water well below it. British Mandate of Palestine. The village expanded during the British Mandate period, and houses were built eastward and southward. In the 1922 census of Palestine, conducted by the British Mandate authorities, Dimra had a population of 251, all Muslims, increasing in the 1931 census to 324, still all Muslim, in 100 houses. In 1945 Dimra had a population of 520, all Arabs, with a total of 8,492 dunams of land, according to an official land and population survey. Of this, 96 dunams were used for citrus and bananas, 388 dunams were for plantations and irrigable land, 7,412 for cereals, while 18 dunams were built-up land. An elementary school opened in Dimra in 1946, with an initial enrollment of 47 students. 1948 War and Aftermath. During the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, the women and children of Dimra were reportedly evacuated by the villagemen on the 31st of October, likely in response to the advance of the Israeli army. The Israeli settlement of Erez was founded in 1949 on part of the village site. The remaining structures of the village are described by Khalidi in All That Remains. Most of the village is fenced in and used as pasture. A crumbling stone water basin, concrete rubble from houses, and a destroyed well are nearly all that remain. A watering trough for cows has been placed on what appears to be a concrete fragment from a former house. The well is topped with an old, non-operating water pump. More debris lies in a wooded portion of the site, near a Jewish cemetery. Some cactuses that formerly served as fences, as well as shrubs and thorny plants, grow on adjacent lands. Bibliography